PNP Senator Mark Golding has been silent for a long while. Many persons had stated that he was one of the primary candidates to take over the leadership and presidency of the PNP party after their leader Dr. Peter Phillips had mentioned that he would be stepping down. Now the moment has arrived, and Senator Mark Golding has stated that he is ready to rebuild the People's National Party. Mark Golding has basically given the clearest indication that he has great intentions to run for the presidency of the opposition People's National Party. Mark Golding declared his intentions and interest in the presidency of the People's National Party via social media on September 22nd. He stated that, "Comrades, on your mark." He further went on to say that after consultation with his family, senior members of the PNP, and the executive of the South St. Andrew constituency, he had decided that the rebuilding of the great party is paramount. However, when consulted by the media, Mark Golding has asked for 7 days before confirming his leadership intentions to the media. According to Mark Golding, he is having internal discussions first before stating his position to the media. He's asking for 7 days. Recently, Mark Golding supported the Central Manchester Member of Parliament Peter Bunting when he was bidding in 2019 for the leadership of the PNP. Unfortunately, Peter Bunting lost to Dr. Peter Phillips by 73 votes. Currently, as it stands, the People's National Party is in turmoil after they have been given a devastating loss to the Jamaica Labour Party in the September 3rd general election. And of course, there is no certainty about who will lead their party or who will be the president of the party, as Dr. Peter Phillips recently announced that he had submitted his resignation as president and opposition leader to the chairman of the party. Dr. Peter Phillips has been asked to stay on as leader and president until a suitable replacement has been elected by the delegates of the PNP party. As it stands, the process to identify a new leader for the PNP party is currently ongoing, but it is a tumultuous process, as there has been no official statement about all of the persons who have interest in contending the leadership and the presidency of the PNP party. Now, many persons have stated that Mark Golding, Lisa Anna, and Norman Horn, who are senators and ministers at this time, are suitable candidates and possible future or potential leaders of the PNP party. Mr. Mark Golding has mentioned that he has concerns because of a lack of consultation and his view that Dr. Peter Phillips was imposing on him. And this was one of the reasons that he gave for not signing a letter that was sent to the Governor General. Mark Golding was a key person who supported Peter Bunting, although he was unsuccessful in challenging Dr. Peter Phillips for the leadership of the party. Peter Bunting and a majority of his supporters from the parliamentary group lost in the September 3rd general elections. Lisa Hanna, who supports Dr. Peter Phillips, managed to survive the general elections and is expected to contest the leadership position of the PNP party. According to Mark Golding, we've heard our supporters and the electorate that they need more from us, and as a Member of the PNP party, Mark Golding, is ready to work with the people to rebuild the PNP. A similar sentiment has been expressed by senior PNP member Lisa Hanna. She has stated that she is committed to ensuring that the PNP party heals and that it is united and that they have the ability to forge on and fight on for all the people. So as the process remains ongoing and continues and the excitement builds as they seek to identify who will lead their party, it is evident that the focus will be on rebuilding. Dr. Peter Phillips is still there, awaiting the selection of the next leader and the president of the PNP party. Now, leave your comments down below. Who is your choice? Is it Norman Horn, Lisa Hanna, or Mark Golding? Thanks for watching.